Hi, I'm Jo from Gentle Footprints, and I'm really excited to tell you about the new project that we're going to be working on here at the Northern Suburbs Community Centre. We're starting to make a few videos, so this is the first in a series that we'll be presenting on how to make wicking beds for your home garden. So the first one is how to make one from an apple crate, and there's quite a list of things that go into making that. And we also have some magnificent garden soil, lots of compost, which will fill those garden beds ready to grow heaps of food going into spring and summer. But the best thing about it is that it's going to save you water, it's going to save you time. Once this bed is operating, and all the other ones we're going to tell you about over the next few weeks, you can water it once and you don't have to water it for another week. All the water stays in the sump at the base and is taken up by the plants as they need it. So you don't have to stand there every day with the hose. Anyway, the gear list is there. Get yourself organised and we'll make it together. Enjoy. Happy gardening, everyone. Let's go. So please like this video because it really helps, and subscribe so that you can be alerted to more videos as they become available. Happy gardening, everyone.